I'm Snake. In this video, I'm going to be describing how to find the first and second derivative, as well as the arc length of parametric functions. The first problem I'm going to do is how to find the second derivative and the first derivative in the same problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to compute the first derivative and second derivative for the parametric of x equals 4t3 minus t squared plus 7t and y equals t4 minus 6. To find the first derivative of these parametrics, you're going to go dx or dt equals 12t squared minus 2t plus 7, and dy or dt equals 4t3. No cat. And then the first derivative is dy, or for the parametric, which equals dy or dt or dx or dt, which goes to 4t3 over 12t squared minus 2t7. And then for the second derivative is another formula that you have to use. And that formula is d squared y over dx squared equals d or dt or dy or dx or dx or dt, and that is going to go to, I'm just going to simplify it because you're multiplying dx over dt, same thing. So it's 48t4 minus 16t3 plus 84t squared over 12t squared minus 2t plus 7 to the power of 3. And it's to the power of 3 because there's 3 of these in this whole function. That's how you find the first and second derivative. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go on to arc lengths. And the first problem I'm going to do is I'm going to find the arc length of x equals 3 sine t, y equals 3 cosine t, from 0 to 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the derivative of both. So dx or dt equals 3 cosine t, and dy or dt equals negative 3 sine t, because that goes negative. And then the arc length is going to be 0 to 5 square root 9 sine squared t. The arc length is on the slideshow, plus 9 cosine squared t dt. I always forget this on FRQs, so I gotta remember to do that. And then what you're gonna get from this is you're gonna be able to square it, or you're gonna be able to pull 9 out because you can square root both of that. You're gonna get 3 to 0 dt. And what you're gonna get from that is 6. Because cosine squared plus sine squared in the formulas that we learned all the way back in pre-calc equals 1. So that's why that all goes away, really. That's how you use the arc length formula to find the arc length. So the arc length would be 6 pi for that formula. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now I gotta rotate it to make sure it's not upside down.